In this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to start making money with video and how to get your first client. So the first tip that I have for going out and getting your first client is to go out and offer a free video. Now, this doesn't mean just go out and do any video for free, but you really want to be specific with the video that you're going to do and have intent. My suggestion would be to find something that you're interested in or passionate about, or something that could be a hobby of yours, and find someone else that has a need to fill or that could be looking for a solution to one of their problems, and then make a video around that problem or around that hobby or interest that you have. What this will allow you to do is it'll allow you to get experience when the stakes aren't so high. So, someone hasn't just paid you a bunch of money to make something amazing. You're just learning and you're just starting out. So if you go out and offer something that's based around what you're interested in already, then you'll be able to help somebody out, and in the process you'll get to do what you love at the same time. By doing something that you love and making a video around something you're passionate about, if you decide this is something that you want to continue to do, you can start to be known for doing videos for something that you enjoy, whether that be real estate or weddings or live events or music videos or promotional videos. Whatever that may be and whatever your interests are, you can make a video to use to help someone else solve a problem, and then you can also use that video to showcase in your own reel and start to build a demo reel, which then you can show at a later date to other clients to get that same type of work. But really just to show your progression and show what you can offer people, because if they don't understand what you're offering and they don't understand what problems you help solve, then they'll never know that you're there to help them find a solution for it. So once you've created that first video for the client, you definitely want to make sure that you're going to use this in some sort of a reel or showcase what your capabilities are, because at this point you probably haven't made too many videos, or at least made too many videos with the intent to solve a problem or to call people to action in that video. So make sure that you're going to use this first video and promote it so that you can get other people interested in what you are doing and even just informed about what you do in general. And chances are, if you do a really good job with this client, they're going to either want you back to do more work, or they're going to tell their friends about you and show them what you're capable of doing and what you were able to do for them. And this will in turn help you land more clients and start to get more money and start to solve more problems, and all around just become a better filmmaker, videographer. So it really is just all about being creative. There's so many different things out there that you can film, and there's so many people that that either sell something or have a small business or have an interest or hobby that they want to showcase to people. So just be creative and figure out what you can do to then help them with their problems and to help them get from where they are to where they want to be. So the next tip that I have for getting your first client is to network. Your network is your net worth, and everyone that you know has something that they sell or make or have a business, or they know someone who sells something, has a service or has a business or has a problem that you can help solve with video. It's all about going out, and even if it's a time right now where we can't go out physically and talk to people, everybody is on social media and everybody interacts online, and we live in a social world. So it's all about going and taking advantage of the platforms that we have available to us to create the most opportunities and to get ourselves out there and start establishing what we can do and how we can help other people. So the last tip that I have for you, if you're just starting out and trying to land more clients, is don't ask permission. Just go out and do it. Go out and make a video. Now this might seem a little weird or like you're jumping the gun or whatever, but if you really want to land your first client and you find somebody that you like what they do, or you're interested in what they can offer, whether that's a product or service or a business that they have, just go out and make a video and put it together and then show it to them and say, hey, I did this for you because I like this, this, and this about what you do, and I thought this might be a problem that you guys face, so I did this video, and here's a solution that you could have to help, or you can showcase this to help you get blank results. So try to think about what people might need, find something that you're interested in, and then just go out and film a video and present it to them. And last case scenario, if they don't like what you did for them, you can still use that video to show other people, maybe not make it public, but you can send it to someone and say, hey, I can do videos like this if you're interested in something like this, or if you have a problem similar to this, I can help you find a solution through video creation that could help you get results in the end. So it's all about going out and just being aggressive and not waiting for an opportunity to come, because 9 times out of 10 you have to go out and make the opportunity. The doors won't just open for you, and if they do, it's better to be prepared and to make the mistakes up front, so that when you are able to take on a bigger job or to get a higher ticket client, that you're actually confident in yourself and what you're able to do. I can't forget to plug this awesome tool that I just created to help you plan your videos out and get better results every time. If you head over to focalfuse.com and click on the video page and scroll to the bottom, there's a planning your video guide that will help you create a better video for your client or for yourself, and it'll help you figure out all the questions that you need to ask and answer them right away, so that you can help make the most effective video and help solve the most problems. So if you're new to videos or trying to start getting your first client with videos, leave a comment below and let me know a little bit about your story, where you are, what motivated you to start, and then kind of where you are in your journey right now. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. If I didn't cover it in this video, I'll definitely get back to you with an answer as soon as I can. But be on the lookout for more videos like this coming soon. If you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to turn on the notifications. And if you think someone else needs to see this, maybe you have a friend that's starting to shoot videos and they're trying to start getting clients, make sure you go ahead and share this video with them. But with that being said, thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.